Welcome. In front of me is an HTC Desire 19 Plus, and today I will show you how to transfer files from the phone to an SD card or vice versa. And to get started, you want to open up the Files app. So it's going to be in Productivity right here, and it's File Manager. Let's tap on Allow, and here we can either tap on each category to view what we have. Now, as you will see, I should only have several photos, and that's what I'm going to be transferring from one place to another. But to do so, you actually have to go right here, so all files, and you have the choice between phone storage or SD card. Now I believe my photos are on the phone, so that's where I'm going to look for them. And just as a brief overview, photos and videos captured with the device itself will be always under the DCIM folder, as you will see right here, camera, and there are the four photos that I have. And let's see, photos, a folder called photos, like here, will have screenshots. As you can see right now, there's a screenshot. So that's where you can find images. Now downloads will have anything that you have downloaded from the web, through email or browser, and it actually doesn't categorize it. You can have photos, videos, whatever, it can all be there as long as you have downloaded it. Movies, music will usually have stuff that were placed there by the user itself, so if you did, you should know that it's there. And yeah, that's primarily it. So find whatever it is that you wish to move, which for me, like I said, it's going to be the photos. And from here, what you want to do is select it. So you select it by just holding it for a moment. So just grab one of the files and hold your finger on it, and it then becomes checked, and you can tap on additional ones like so to add them, so you can move multiple. Now, if you have an entire folder full of photos, you can either select all, as you will see right here. Once you select one, you'll get the option in the corner, select all, or you can just move the entire folder with all of its content by just doing that right here. So from here, you have the option to copy or cut, which cut is just a different way of saying move. And what it will do is just remove it from where it is right now and move it to a new location, while copy will create additional set of the same files in a new location while keeping the old ones where they are right now. So choose whichever one you want, and from there I'm gonna stick with the cut option. And once you tap on it, it gives you the options to move it either to the phone storage, which that's where the files are right now at, or to the SD card. So I'm gonna move it to a completely new storage, so SD card right here. Let's allow, and here you can either place it right here, which will create a camera folder, because it's basically I selected the entire folder, or I can also create a new folder myself, and I can name it something else, so you can see, and I can go into it and tap paste, and there it is. So you can see that there is a camera, and it's in the folder that I have created, the DCC. And if I go back to the phone storage, you will see that in the DCIM folder where those photos originated from, there's nothing here anymore. So this process also works for any kind of file, not just folders and images. The process is exactly the same for anything else. But yeah, that is how you would move it. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.